During the use of the car, scratches appear on the sills and trunk, which not only worsen the appearance of the car, but are also a potential place for corrosion. Carbon fiber protective tape reliably protects the minor damage and scratches, sills, trunk, and doors. Easy to install, the only tool needed is scissors. The soft tape follows the curves of the surface to which it is glued, so it can be used on most car models. In fog and darkness, lighting the road properly is one of the most important elements of safe driving. Each fog light has 6 LED bulbs, which are connected to the onboard network. The body of the fog lamp is made of aluminum. Convenient model of the mounting bracket allows you to install the headlight on most models of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Light shading border is present. Universal angel eyes can be installed on any model of car. Just specify the necessary dimensions when buying. LED illumination works from the onboard 12-volt network. Easy to connect, durable, and economical. Special feature of the offer: it is possible to change the color, control via Bluetooth with an application on your smartphone with Android or iOS. Supply includes 2 remote-controlled angel eye lamps. Tread depth meter. Useful when you need to accurately determine the remaining tread depth of a car tire. For example, you are selling or buying a tire that has been driven and you want to be sure that the tread depth is acceptable for further use of the tire. The tread depth gauge is like a small writing pen. You insert one end into the tread, and on the backside you get a reading on the measuring scale. The material of construction is stainless steel and ABS plastic.